Welcome back to the DFWplumber.com Dallas-Fort Worth Plumbing Podcast, where we help homeowners understand their plumbing systems and avoid expensive water damage. I'm your host, Andrew, and today we're covering something every homeowner should know: how to safely shut off water at individual fixtures, including toilets, sinks, and washing machines. You don't need tools, experience, or plumbing knowledge for this. Just a couple minutes and the confidence to reach under a sink or behind a washer. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to stop minor leaks, prevent floods, and buy yourself time before a plumber arrives. Let's start with the fixture you're most likely to shut off. Toilets. Every toilet has a shutoff valve, also called a stop valve, located at the wall or floor, usually behind the toilet on the left. It connects to the flexible supply hose. To shut off a toilet, reach behind and grab the oval or round knob. Turn it clockwise until it stops. Flush once. The tank should not refill. If water still flows, the valve may be stuck or corroded, which is very common in older DFW homes. Do not force a stuck valve. A broken stem can cause major flooding. If it doesn't turn with light pressure, stop and call DFW Plumber. Good reasons to shut off a toilet immediately include constant running, overflowing, a leaking supply line, a bad fill valve, or water spraying from the tank or base. Sink shutoff valves. Every sink has two shutoff valves, one for hot, one for cold. As a standard, left is hot, right is cold. To shut off a sink, open the cabinet and locate the valves. Turn each clockwise to close. Test the faucet to confirm water stops. There are two main valve types: multi-turn valves, round knobs, older, more prone to corrosion. Quarter-turn ball valves, small levers, turn 90 degrees, more reliable. If a valve spins endlessly, leaks around the stem, or doesn't stop the flow, it's failing internally and needs replacement. Don't force it. Washing machine valves. Washer supply lines are the highest pressure lines in your home. A burst washer hose can release hundreds of gallons per hour. The shutoff valves are on the wall behind the machine, usually marked red for hot and blue for cold. If a hose bursts or the washer overfills, reach behind the machine, turn both valves off, clockwise or lever perpendicular to pipe. Unplug the washer if water is spraying. Always shut off both valves, even if only one line is leaking. If your washer is in a tight closet, take a photo of the valve location and keep it on your phone. In an emergency, every second counts. Safety tips for all valves. Never force a stuck valve. If it feels frozen or grinding, forcing it can break it and cause immediate flooding. Leave it alone and shut off the home's main valve instead. Exercise valves once or twice a year. Turn them off and back on to keep them from seizing. Valves that sit untouched often fail when you finally need them. Replace old or failing valves. Early warning signs include green corrosion, stripped handles, leaking stems, valves that don't fully close. Replacing valves before an emergency is far cheaper than repairing water damage. When to shut off a valve. Immediately: a leak under a sink, a toilet that won't stop filling, a loose or spraying supply line, a washer hose bulging or misting, a faucet handle that breaks. Any unexpected water where it shouldn't be. Small drips can lead to cabinet rot, wall damage, and mold. Quick action matters. Let's recap. Toilets have one shutoff valve. Turn clockwise. Sinks have two valves, hot on left, cold on right. Washing machines use high pressure valves. Shut both in emergencies. Never force a stuck valve. Exercise valves yearly. Replace corroded or failing valves early. Knowing how to shut off water at individual fixtures is one of the most practical skills homeowners can master. It prevents damage, saves money, and keeps small problems from becoming major emergencies. If you need help replacing valves or diagnosing a fixture issue, visit dfwplumber.com to connect with a trusted plumber in your area. Thanks for listening to the DFWplumber.com Plumbing Podcast. I'm Andrew, and I'll see you in the next episode.